Hi friends, we are here today to do a little bonus vacation stuffing, and we're also going to stuff my YouTube check because that's going to be super fast. Overall, I think the whole video is going to be super fast. But hi, how are you? Today is what, February 18th, Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I should have had a video earlier this week, but I wasn't feeling up to filming. I just wasn't feeling great the past few days. But I am feeling better now, thankfully. So, yeah, here we are. I'm going to try to get this video out today, and I hope you're all doing well. Okay, let's just get right into it. As I said, the video is probably going to be super short. We're going to start with the YouTube check because that's kind of boring. Okay, so for this month, this is the check I got for the month of January. You get paid 1 month behind. The check was $113. Thank you so much. I say it every time. Without my members, I probably wouldn't get a check. So thank you, especially to my members, but to each and every one of you, thank you so much for your support. Yeah, because this just wouldn't be happening without you guys. So we're just going to put it all to taxes because it's like February, mid-February, and I really need to fully fund my taxes. So we're going to put 93 of it towards the regular taxes and then 20 towards tax prep, because again, I still need to finish saving up the money for tax prep. So 50, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3. Let's just put this in the regular taxes for now, which I think, is that in here? Yes. And let me know how you're doing below. Did you have a good weekend? This past weekend was Ivy's birthday, my daughter. She turned 5. I'll put a picture or two up in here. And yeah, she had a lovely birthday party. We had family over and it was just a nice day. So that was our weekend. And then of course the next day I had to, clean up and everything. Okay, so we're putting 93, and I'm not even going to begin to do that math. 93 plus 343. So we should have 436 in here now. Let's just give it a count. 436. And I think I'm going to film a condensing very soon. I don't necessarily need it because A5 envelopes hold a lot, but a lot of small bills in a bunch of these, and so I just want to get it all organized and slimmed down. Okay, so taxes, 100, oops, 200, 50, 300, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 436, perfect. So that is just over halfway to 800. I do 800 every quarter. However, I'm going to talk to the accountant about that because I may not need to do that much, but yeah, I'm probably not going to get I may have to pay the first quarterly payment before I get my taxes done and speak to the accountant. So, I'm still aiming for the 800 in there. So that is the 93. And then we're going to put the remaining 20, like I said, into tax prep because yeah, I just really need to bulk that up. So tax prep is here in my savings challenge binder. Look at this face. That is what I think about tax prep. Ugh. Okay, so for tax prep, we are working on my sticker challenge. Flush it. Available in my shop. And you guys, if you noticed or are noticing right now, I now YouTube tags items for me. So if you're ever interested in an item that I'm showing, not necessarily even in my Etsy shop, but I think the Temu haul that I just had did it, and I'm not sure what other stores, Walmart, I think, it tags the items. So if you're interested, you could just click on the link, I guess, in the video. It's really neat. Obviously, if you're watching from a TV, you can't, but yeah, if you're watching on your cell phone, you could just click right out and just purchase that item, or at least just look at the details. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so flush it. Each of my little poops is $10. This is my, I think, third set of stickers. It normally comes with just one of these, but I just really wanted to continue using this and fill my toilet with poop. And these are my oopsie poopsies. Like I always say, I ripped that little guy. So sorry, but I need to cut these because they didn't cut well on my machine, but I'm still using them for myself because why not? And so your stickers, if you buy this challenge, will be cut correctly. But I am cutting mine out with scissors. So here's one. We'll put him there, and that looks like the last bit of space. Now I have to start piling them up. Piles and piles of poop, because that is exactly what I think of taxes. This guy's a little half guy. We'll stick him right there. Okay, so $20 more towards this challenge. And I have a 20 here, but I'm actually going to switch it with this real 20, and I'll tell you where this is coming from in a minute when we do the more exciting stuffing. Because I need real cash in here to pay. So, yeah. Okay. So let's put this in and see where we're at. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Perfect. 300. Okay. I feel good about that. I'd still like to get another 100 in here before I go, but I don't know if it's going to happen. We'll just see. We'll do our best. Okay, so the next part of the video, we are going to stuff our vacation challenge, which I'm super excited about. And I'm going to show you the money and tell you where it's coming from as soon as I get the binder. Okay, so we have 150 here, 100, 20, 40, 50. And this is the 20 I just switched out. This is all real cash. I just switched out that 20 with the prop money. So this money is coming from, I told you guys, I get $50 per person per plan for my supplemental insurance coverages. And I told you I filed for my husband. When we do wellness, we get that incentive. And I filed for my husband, 150. That's the 150. So that's that. So for the remainder of the year, I will get, I think, 150 for my son and then 150 for my daughter. So I'll get another 300, but I can't file those claims till they have wellness. So yeah. Okay. So for this one, we are working on grow your savings. Wait, do I have an IOU? I must, right? Yes. $7. And yeah, we're putting the whole 150 in here because we need it, baby. We need it. Okay, so let's grab the calculator. 150 minus our $7 IOU, so we have 143 to work with. Where's my scratcher? Here it is. Okay, let's actually put this on this side. Can you guys see? Okay, so this challenge is in my shop. It's a big one. It's $500. And we're just, you know, chipping away at it. The numbers are big on this. The smallest number is 10. Then we have 15, 25, 30, and 35. So the numbers are big, but when I have a lot of money like this, it feels better to like put it in here. So let's go up here. We're looking for the red. The red is 35, and that's the highest. And so we want those today because, again, I have money. Okay, so this is a blue, and the blue is 25, so minus 25. I don't know how many more reds there's going to be because we did get a bunch of them. Let's go up here. Okay, this is a pink, and pink is only 10. We don't want the pinks. We want to save the pinks till last. Minus 10. This is one of the first challenges I ever created, and yeah, it's super duper old, but it's still a good one. Okay, so red. If I was a red, where would I be? Like Like I said, I don't know if there is any more red because this challenge is several years old now. Okay, so yellow. This yellow is 15. We're gonna see how close we can get to finishing this, you guys. We're gonna see because we don't have too many left, but again, the numbers are quite big. I don't think this would be a red next to this. Let's go here. Okay, oops, that's another yellow for 15. And again, these stickers, I don't use them anymore. They're super pretty, but they don't stick. You saw that just peeled right off. So yeah, that's why I don't use them. Okay, let's go down here. Ugh, we don't want that. That's pink. That's a 10. So minus 10, $68 left. Okay, we're down to 3 more spots. I feel like there might not be any more reds. Let's see. Okay, a sunflower, that is 30, so that is the next biggest there. So we definitely want that. Is this another sunflower? It might be, or this might be, let's see. I don't know, maybe I should just stop trying to guess and just do it. Oh, another red, okay. I should have done that one earlier, but that's okay. That's good. So that is 35 and we now literally only have $3 left. But you guys, look, we're on the last one. Yay! Let's see what it is. Okay, blue, 25. Not terrible. So that means we are gonna have an IOU, but that's okay. I always expect it with this challenge because again, it's very large. But we finished this. Oh my goodness. I actually didn't expect that. I knew I was gonna get pretty close, but I didn't expect to finish it. So that is super exciting. Okay, so before we do anything else, let's correct our IOU. We have a $22 IOU. Ouch, but that's okay because we finished this and that is super exciting. And now I need to go through and pick another challenge. So I will do that and then put that in here for next time. Okay, so if this is a $500 challenge and we need 22 more dollars, we should have $478 in our envelope. So let's check and see if I can do math. I'm trying to think. I was editing a video. Oh, okay. It was my 2025 binder. The last time I stuffed that, I stuffed like $1,000 in there. And I had so many mistakes when I was editing. There was so much money I forgot to subtract on the calculator. So I have a very big IOU in there. I don't know how much offhand, but it's literally probably like 50 or 60 bucks because I just made that many mistakes. So yeah, the next time we stuff that, it'll just be subtracting the IOU. Okay, so this should be 478. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84. 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! 478. We love that. And as soon as I can pay the 22, we'll take this out of here and then stuff that into the sinking fund. We still need a whole boatload of money for vacation. Yeah. And I don't know if it's going to be possible, but we're going to try our best. Okay, that is it, my friends. Pretty short and sweet for this one, like I said, but no less fun, right? Okay, once again, thank you so much for all of your support and for always watching my videos, watching the ads, commenting, liking. That all of that helps me and helps me get a little bit of pennies towards the YouTube check every month. So thank you so much. I'm so grateful you watched till the end of this video. I love you guys. I will see you later this week in the cash stuffing.